so I'm taking
nice.
it easy.
Well, even if you take it easy, you're going to catch a little bit of air. They're nice, smooth tabletops up there.
Yeah, you've been on the trails before.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, both their quad, not this thing. I'm kicking. All right, thank you guys.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
That stuff's gonna show up in about a week.
You know what time it is, Billy?
I don't have my watch on me. Or, I don't have my phone on me. It's late. Yeah.
Oh, we got some fast guys coming up on us, huh?
Maybe.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Alright, let's keep going.
Let's get out of the way.
Yeah. Oh, we can keep going. We can finish this.
Well, if we're gonna slow them down, they're gonna try to pass us and do something crazy.
We'll let them pass.
Oh, okay.
If they're gonna do something crazy, you know, some of these guys like Lionel, right? When you're out with Lionel, he does something crazy and tries to pass you.
Yeah, and then he'll stuff you into the tree.
Yep.
That's weird because they were quite a ways behind us. Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Well, so I got as far as you've ever gotten. That's good.
Yep.
Nice.
But then I went a little further. But I had your help though.
I know. I don't feel too bad about that part. That was a team effort. Yeah, there's no way around that though. I mean, if you backed up from here, you'd have to...
Is this a checkpoint or is this
What's
the
that?
end? Do we have a checkpoint at the end or what?
This is the end.
This the end?
Good job. Where's Ahmed?
He ran out of gas. Yep. And I was falling behind him so close, you know, because I can't see the arrows, you know. So I had to fall behind him, and he was going so slow some of the trails, he made me get low on gas. So halfway through here, I had to go back to the truck and go back.
Oh no. So did you just grab him and take him back?
Now I gotta go back and get him.
Want me to get your thing for you?
Yeah.
I mean, that's rough. $15. Right there.
Huh?
Right there.
No, right in front of you. Just go straight down right there.
You can go ahead. Which way are you going?
You like the downhill. That's not really that big of a thing right there, that one. You have better brakes than I do. I mean, that's not a big deal right there. If you went down those other ones.
You broke a stretch.
Yep. Guy running across the street here. Right there.
Got it. Holy crap.
The hood was popped open and everything.
Yep.
I made it up pretty far.
I get this every
Must be
day.
the first pussy he's got in the first couple months.
The first fucking 6 months. What are you talking about?
Okay.
Maybe longer.
That's all right.
But now it's double duty. Got that.
Take advantage of all you can.
Oh yeah, I learned that a long time ago.
It's actually supposed to turn around. Huh? It actually bends up like this so you can turn around.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Are you going to? No. You wanted me to go? Let's all go up.
We can turn around.
Come on up.
As I keep revving it up. Yeah, I'm always more cautious on the downhills because I don't have good brakes like you do.
They can be a curse sometimes. The front one's a doozy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a time when my front one won't even stop you at all.
You'll probably think get a little wet with the water in there.
No, it just doesn't get adjusted. I mean, even if it's dry, it won't work.
Oh really?
Yeah.